Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can import an existing MetaMask wallet using your seed phrase. Okay, so first we're going to have to re-download MetaMask. So I'm on the Google or Chrome, and then I'm just going to search for MetaMask right here at the search box. And we can go ahead and go to the official MetaMask website, which is the top result of our search. So now by doing it this way, we know that we're on the right website and we're on the right track. Now we can click on Get MetaMask and it will then redirect us to a browsers or web store. So I'm on Google Chrome, so we are here on the web store, as you can see. So you just really have to click on Add Chrome or download depending on what browser that you're on. And you just have to make sure you then click on add extension right here and just be patient because it takes time, but just seconds. So let it download and open it. And once it's downloaded, it will open itself. So in about 15 seconds, it will open up automatically. So here we are. It's now loading. And now we need to do is agree to the terms and conditions. Then you just have to click on import an existing wallet at the bottom. And by doing that, you can either agree or not agree to this. I'm just going to click on no thanks. Depends on you. By doing that, you can import your 12-word phrase. And now you're going to need this saved, obviously. So you can save it anywhere, save. So I've got mine here. Now don't reveal this to anyone because this is just for a tutorial. But you can do instead of typing it manually, you can copy the whole thing, then just click on any box and then press right click and then paste it in here. And it will add your phrase to all of these boxes, which is less hassle. So you can then confirm your secret recovery phrase and then enter in a new password. And now once you've done that, you can check on this box right here to understand, but you cannot recover your password. Then click on import, and then my wallet, and then click on done. And then MetaMask will then be installed and you should now be able to see it. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!